have you done? Did you put powder on butter?
I cannot believe you. Did you make a mess?
Yeah!
Jaja, why you do it?
Why you do it, Jaja?
Look pa ayel.
What is this?
What'd you do to the kitchen? You didn't do it?
See?
Is covered in flour. What did you do?
It's icky. See? It's icky.
Well, yeah, because now there's a whole bunch of toothpaste in the sink.
What did you do? Where'd it go?
Paxton, are you in trouble?
No!
Oh no.
Did Connor do this? This is by far the worst one yet. This is peanut butter. Lily, what are you doing? Scooping?
I don't think that goes in there, honey. That's the refrigerator, not a garbage can.
No! No! All right, bathtub.
Clean it up, please.
What did you do?
Uh-oh.
That's the last time I stopped watching you guys for 15 minutes.
I went to the microwave and came back.
Did you do this?
You made a mess. What did you do? What is that?
What did you do?
Duh. Duh.
What did you do now?
Are you okay?
You know this is not cleanup, right?
What are you doing?
Do I need to clean you up?
No.
Kenzie.